I keep dreaming about this place. I came here to forget. But the sea had other plans. Some messages are meant to be found by someone ready to follow them. Once you hear the ocean, you can't turn back. I don't know where this map leads, only that it's calling me. This is Thailand, where jungles breathe beneath golden light and limestone cliffs rise from the seas. There are places you don't just visit, you live them. Wildlife breathes through the jungle, moving silently and observing us. Temples rise like quiet guardians of time. To an end, guided to this paradise from a message overseas. Time has come to release what guided me, trusting the ocean to carry the map to the unknown.